right, I'm showing you the color. Look at the chunk highlights. I'm still going to tease her and fleece her hair, but I just want to show you what the dimensional highlights will look like. Now, I've been doing her hair for a long time, and this is how she loves it. She doesn't want it over highlighted. Show you so you can see the dimension. Hey guys, so a lot of people ask me too about fine hair. So I just want you to know that fine hair, you really need to think differently with fine hair. When I highlight her, I do like, she loves dimension. So I literally take her hair and I will do slices in fine hair, right? But I do it as a pattern of 1, 2, 3. So I want you to look. 1, I'm going to skip a piece. 2, 3. Okay, now watch when I put this on a foil. And this is good because I'm going to do 3 back-to-back slices of 1, 2, 3. That's simple. And then I need to take a really nice chunk in between and just make sure you saturate it. And listen, if she has old blonde on there anywhere, you do not touch that old blonde. Okay, there's your 1. And then you're going to do a back-to-back straight behind it. And this is the other thing. I'm thinking of a pattern, doing a mohawk, and then I'm going to do this side. So you could think of it like the beach ball with a ladder steps that you're doing. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. I'm going to skip probably a finger, almost like 2 fingers, or maybe 1 finger. I'm going to look and see. I look at it by my intuition and my imagination to think, okay, where's that going to lay? Okay, look at 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take that right underneath the last one. And this is called back-to-back foils. And get really close right there. Hold that hair, get those ends only if they need it. If they're blonde already, I'm not touching those ends. Okay, that's 1, 2, and I'm gonna do 1 more. I do a little tinier so that the highlight comes down a little bit of a point. See, it's less. 1, I'm gonna go in the middle of that 1, 2, 3. And I like that when I put it down, you can really see it. So these are 3 back to back. See, this one's skinnier than the last 2. Now I definitely got it. Now it's not gonna be a stripe. If I did a slice right here, it'd be a piece of paper, a sheet of paper. I don't want that. Now I'm gonna take, I would say 1 whole finger. Okay, so that's like size of 1 whole finger. Now go to the next one. And we know, because I've done her hair many, many times, know how to do it so that it's not too much and it's not enough. Because I've over highlighted her hair because her hair is fine. And that's what happens to over highlighted hair. But I have that hair pretty taut. Now I'm holding this tight and then I'm pushing down, pushing down. You could flip those ends if you need to, but don't get the real blonde on the ends. And I do this ladder pattern throughout, and I'm going to do it here, and then I'll do it on the front too. But the front, I'm going to go vertical, and then the top, I'm going to go straight mohawk and do the same exact thing. So this whole mohawk is going to be 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 pieces back to back. The only place I do a little slice is on the top, because this top falls down on both sides. 1, 2, 3. So important and valuable for you to know how to highlight fine hair. Okay, now look at, this is not as thick right here, so you just grab a little bit more piece. You don't have to grab a ton, or you could leave it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be balanced. Okay, now we're going to do it again. I'm going to push her up because I don't want her head to have to be so down. I need to push her higher so that I can see it, right? You want to kind of be right on top of it. I want to go a skinnier one. This is the third one. So it's going to be skinnier than the two that I just had. And I like to pull this hair up so it gets real close to the root that way. And then I take a finger, get that whole piece out of there. And I have a clean slate. Now you could do one of two things. You could pick it up like this and then see 1, 2, 3. And you could change it just so you know. Like let's say there was a thick area somewhere in her hair. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I could do 4. But I like the 3 because we like it chunky because her hair is fine. And we want to be able to see it. 1, 2, 3. Take that hair tight. That I'm definitely holding very tightly with that hair. And now you're going to like lift it up so you can place it on there. So it's nice and close. And it lasts you a long time, right? Miss Ann, your highlights? How long have I been highlighting your hair now? Years. And then at the end, those little pieces, I will run that color through to the end after. I'm not going to touch it right now, and I'm not smashing this down. I'm just lightly flipping it up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's a little piece of blonde in there that I don't touch. Now what's important is taking those little blonde pieces out. You understand? Especially on fine hair, you never over highlight blonde hair. Why do you think? If it's blonde already and you have 30 volume on this, and then you put it on here and you put it on here, this is a brown piece of paper and this is a white piece of paper. It's gonna burn right off, right? Because why would I put it on this nice, beautiful blonde piece already if it's blonde? If I do, it's gonna be like probably fried. I have nothing left. So that's why it's so important. Do not over highlight blonde hair. Now listen, if I had a separate mix because her hair was yellow on those ends, then I could do 5 volume or 10 volume. But this is 30 volume because her hair is still a little stubborn even though her hair is fine. It does take a little while to take, so I do use 30. But I'm also a fast highlighter. You know, you take all that into consideration, but if you weren't, you would use 20. And then on her ends, you could use 5, but not on her ends because her ends are nice and bright. Like she don't need them. She doesn't need it. Only if you needed it. And you're always looking to see, does it need it? No. I really highlight her to what the color will look awesome. 1, 2. I always tell people, if you got to use toner, you're not highlighting it to the perfect color. You could use clear glaze to close the cuticle down, but I'm not a big glazer. I don't glaze a lot because I like bright highlights. Right. And then you could get these out of the way. Make sure you get that foil. Make sure you don't see any lightener on there when you flip that baby up. And look, you take the time to separate that little hair out. I see a little, like one little hair right here too. See that nice blonde piece? And just sweep that up so you still get those ends, but you don't touch these. Just let it ring, guys. Just let it ring. Don't just have to answer your phone just because it's ringing. It's not so true. You have to become conditioned to not answer a telephone when it rings because we're so conditioned to like be there on the spot. But it almost like can put fear in somebody if they let it go and don't answer it. You know, I used to years ago be like, oh, you got to answer it. Not anymore. I just think you got to relax, enjoy life. Shouldn't be so much pressure and so tense. Now I'm going 1. This one's going to be even smaller. 2, 3. Did I do 3? Oh, I did 3. Okay, I'm skipping. I was like, wait a minute. It feels like too much. Intuition. That's not a whole finger. I'm going to do a little bit more right here. Okay, there we go. This should be like the last 3. And you see how my last pattern was? Yeah, you could see 1, 2, 3. Perfect. But we will pull that down at the very end when she's done, so it just touches it a tiny bit. I like to get it on there and then hold it up. Put my hand underneath there, see it? Like, this is like my paddle board. And do you ever wear your hair up? Never, right? I know, because it's short. But some people try. Okay. Now we're doing that pattern throughout the whole head. Right. Okay, there's my finger. I'm gonna go up. Now I'm gonna turn it a little because I really want it to her part. And which way do we go over to? This way. Okay, so we go this way. So I'm just gonna make this straight. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. I want to slice this because I want this to go on both sides. Look at where it falls. See, it's gonna fall forward. So, and it's gonna really go down and back. But it'll kind of go towards this way. This piece will be this way. This piece will be this way. Make sure you get those little ends. If those ends are on there, just get those ends. Yeah, so that'll be a nice amount in between. Perfect. Now I'm gonna do 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 slice, and then 2 of the 3 pieces. It's so good to have a pattern. You understand? Patterns make things better because you could duplicate them. And you can know what you did the last time. I'm gonna do 1 more. Don't touch that blonde. So be thoughtful and careful what you're doing. And you can also cover it like that if you wanted to, and then turn it.
That feels so much safer.
Right? That's the safer way. Okay, so look at, here we go. I did a slice and then a pattern of 1, 2, 3. Pattern of 1, 2, 3. And the same thing, leave a finger. And then I have the next 3 pieces. Leave a finger. Easy peasy, guys. Okay, leave a finger. Now this is her front. So I am going to do a little more right here because I really want this to be. I'm not going to do a slice here. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No slice, just for the front. 1,
I like brown.
2, 3. Yeah, because we like brown in her hair. And you really got to be thoughtful. So I really had to took me a couple times to learn this pattern for her hair. Okay, so let's get that blonde out of the way, right? So I'm going to fold it there so that's safer. So you don't touch it. And now right to her hairline. You could, let's just say you felt like it was too much hair here. You could take these out and put them up and then just do 1 more. Even, it's still going to be a back-to-back. I just took those pieces out just to make it easier to grab. See, I'm still going where out those pieces are. Oh, just go to sleep. It's so relaxing, right?
I never slept before.
And now we're going to go here to her side. Now listen, I have to take a finger out here too, okay? Because this is going to be a highlight coming down here. So you're always thinking in consideration, where is this going to land coming down? So get this one out of the way. And you're going to think there's going to be 1 here. So I want to go, there's nothing here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And you could leave a little piece right there. And so what did I use in her? I used Blondor and Free Lights because I love Free Lights because it's a clay-based lightener. Love that. And then I mixed the Blondor with it because Blondor has a little bit more power. And the Free Lights gives it the great texture and consistency. And now I'm just going to lift this up. This is her 3rd one. 1, 2, 3. Now this is going to be real tiny. Okay, so we're looking. Do we do a 4th piece over here, right? Let's just see. 1, 2, 3. Nope. It's 3. But she really does love brown in her, and trust me when I tell you, if you over highlight her, you see it. You can't see her brown. She looks almost all blonde. She loves dimension. Okay, I'm taking a piece here, piece here. I'm gonna get these pieces out of here, lift that up. Well, it depends, you know what I'm saying, where I'm at. Like, I just lift this one after the 2, yeah. Just so that I can, it's still a back-to-back. There's no space in between. I just lifted the 2 pieces that are gonna be dark.
Yes.
Just to get this a little closer. And you gotta think the ear right here is here. Do you understand? So I don't need to do another piece right there because she has much more hair in the back than by our ear. Anybody, whoever it is. Okay, now I'm gonna take a finger out and then just do, now listen, this is not, you know, this is gonna be literally like 2 pieces. I'm gonna move this out of the way. And I'll do like 1, 2. But I'm gonna make it really nice. You gotta make it nice and straight. There you go. They have a nice straight line there. It keeps me going. All right, so listen, now we're gonna duplicate this on the other side. All right, so you just do the same thing. Take that finger, always remember what you did. Take that finger, get it out of there, you know, got a finger. And then you're gonna do 1, 2, 3. And I'm leaving just a tiny bit on this side. 1, 2, 3. And then you just you're gonna lift this up. All right, and duplicate the same thing what I did on the other side here. All right, guys, so 1, 2, 3, space, 1, 2, 3, space, and then I have my 2 here, and then the whole back, same way. 1, 2, 3, back to back, 1, 2, 3, back to back, 1, 2, 3, yeah, and then the other side. All right, stay tuned. All right, I'm showing you the color. Look at the chunk highlights. I'm still gonna tease her and finish her hair, but I was gonna show you what the dimensional highlights will look like. I've been doing her hair for a long time, and this is how she loves it. She doesn't want it over highlighted.